On today's episode of Must or Bust, it's yet another limited edition Oreo flavor. This is tiramisu flavor cream. Let's go ahead and see if this is a must or a bust.
Must or bust.
Can you smell it? Do you smell what the Oreo is cooking? Tiramisu, a special dish that some people like, I guess. I don't know. I just want to see what it tastes like. I can tell you this, it smells really good. You got the double layer of cream happening in this cookie.
It smells like a birthday cake.
It does smell like that, doesn't it? And it smells like it's exotically sweet. Is what this smells like. Let's chomp. What do you think about that?
It has an acquired taste.
Let me give you my thing on this. That is, the first thing that comes in my head is just super sweet, super rich. One thing I like about regular Oreos is that you have that thin layer of cream, you have the cookie. The cookie is a little bitter, like a dark chocolate, and the cream is sweet. It's a good balance. That's why Oreos work. That's just like a backwards opposite version of a good Oreo. That's just, it does have that tiramisu dessert flavor going on. I can get that a little bit, but it's so sweet. It's just, it makes your teeth hurt. I don't know.
This tastes like something Disney World would sell.
Something crazy, huh?
I never had tiramisu. I've never even heard of tiramisu.
That's because I never did it.
If it would taste the same as a tiramisu cake.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know why I thought this, but it had like a coffee taste.
Oh, I wish.
I think these would be way better with coffee.
Yeah, I was just about to say that. If you give me some coffee, I don't need any sugar in that coffee. I need straight, just black coffee. With it, I put some creamer, half and half, sure. But put that in there and have it with this. That's good. One cookie, 1 cup of coffee. I'm rocking it. So is this a must or a bust on the Showstopper shows? It's kind of a bust. I understand that Oreo's trying to do a lot of cool things, but it's a bust for me. If you have to have coffee to wash it down, to really take that sweet sugar frown off your face, I'm not feeling it. That's a bust.
It's a bust. If it were a must, I'd rather have coffee sitting right.
Yeah, to wash
Way better.
Yes, to wash every single bite down. So that's a bust. That's only my second bust I've ever done. Here's the way I look at it too. Would I go buy these again if I saw them at Walmart? No, not again. No.
Limited edition, so they won't be out.
Right. They're like, try them. If you don't like them, well, joke's on you. We're not keeping them around anyway.
This is not an Oreo cookie that you eat at your kid's birthday party.
No, those are great.
This is like a quick snack from a gas station.
I wouldn't even get it at a gas station, but yeah.
I've tried this for a gas station. I've never had it before.
Well, there you go. Tiramisu Oreos, that is done. So you let us know if you've got them and tried them. They've been out for a little while. Sorry, I've got like a sugar rush headache just already forming. So let's let it go. Hey, thanks for watching the Showstopper Shows. Thanks to the Show Sparkle for joining me and tasting these and making sure I'm not crazy, because I was thinking coffee before she said coffee. May the forks be with you. May his presence be yours. Put a bow on this show, because that is a wrap.
The show stops here.
Never quit, y'all. I need some coffee now.